Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the English Podcast Show, where you learn to speak English naturally, confidently, and just like a native speaker. If you're tired of memorizing grammar rules or reading boring textbooks, this episode is for you. Because today, we're going to learn English from real conversations, the kind of English people actually speak in daily life. You'll hear real examples, natural phrases, and my explanations. So by the end of this video, you'll not only understand English better, you'll sound better too. All right, let's begin. Why real conversations matter. Most English learners spend years learning grammar but still hesitate when it's time to speak. Why? Because real English isn't the same as textbook English. Let me give you an example. In textbooks, you'll see, "Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you." But in real life, people say things like, "Hey, what's up? Not much, just chilling. How's it going?" See the difference? Textbooks teach you correct English, but real conversations teach you natural English. And if you want to sound fluent, you must learn how people actually speak in daily life. Real conversation example 1, coffee shop. Let's imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop and meet your friend. Here's how a natural conversation might go. "Hey, long time no see. I know, it's been ages. How have you been?" "Pretty good, just busy with work, you know." "Same here. I'm running on coffee these days." "Ha, I feel you." Now, let's break that down. Long time no see means it's been a long time since we met. It's been ages means the same, but it's more casual. Running on coffee means I'm surviving thanks to coffee. And I feel you means I understand you. I feel the same way. See how natural and short those sentences are? That's how fluent English speakers really talk short, relaxed, and full of expressions. Try repeating these phrases after me. Long time no see. I feel you. Running on coffee these days. Good. Practice saying them naturally, not word by word, but as a full rhythm. Real conversation example 2, making plans. Now, let's look at another situation making weekend plans. "Hey, what are you up to this weekend?" "Not sure yet. Might go hiking if the weather's good." "Sounds nice. I've been meaning to do that too." "You should come. The more, the merrier. Count me in." Now, let's understand this one. "What are you up to?" means, what are you doing? Might go hiking shows possibility, it's not a plan yet. I've been meaning to do that means I wanted to do that for some time. The more, the merrier means it's better when more people join. And count me in means I want to join too. These expressions are so common in daily English. You can use them anywhere with friends, coworkers, or even online. Now repeat after me slowly. Count me in. The more, the merrier. I've been meaning to do that. Well done. Real conversation, example 3, at work. Let's now move to the workplace. Imagine your colleague asks for help. "Hey, do you have a minute?" "Sure, what's up?" "I'm having trouble with this report. Can you take a look?" "Yeah, no problem. Send it over." "Thanks a ton." "Anytime." Let's learn from that. "Do you have a minute?" means, can I talk to you for a short time? "What's up?" means, what's the issue? "Can you take a look?" means, can you check it? "Thanks a ton" means, thank you very much. "Anytime" means, you're welcome. These short, friendly expressions make your English sound confident and natural. Try them in your next conversation at work or school. Practice tips. Now that you've learned these real examples, here's how you can practice them every day. Shadow conversations. Listen to native speakers and repeat exactly what they say, matching tone and rhythm. Record yourself. Talk about your day using these expressions and listen back to improve. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. For example, "I'm making coffee." "I'm checking my messages." "I'm getting ready for work." Watch real-life English content, like podcasts, vlogs, or shows where people speak naturally, not scripted. That's how you'll slowly start thinking in English, not translating from your language. So, my friends, that's how you learn English from real conversations, by listening, repeating, and practicing phrases people actually use every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment your favorite new phrase from today's episode. Remember, fluency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from practice. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep learning with the English Podcast Show. See you in the next episode, and until then, keep speaking English confidently.